Good afternoon, guys.
What day is today? What day is today?
Today is
What day is today?
Wednesday.
Wow. It's
Okay.
your exam day. Mo mag-answer ka properly, ha? Okay, it's exam day. So this video, guys, going na mi sa school kay exam daw nila. Paglawas na mi sa among balay, paingon na mi sa eskwelahan. Ikaw, Kale? How are you, Kale?
I find
You early sa kuan, ha?
Good morning, guys. Welcome. Hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Pwede naman, good morning, good afternoon naman, good. And then, after sa exam, where are we going man after sa exam? We're going to, after sa school, we're going to pay, yes, mag-pay ta sa atong electric bill. We're going to Aneco. Bayad ka 20, ano tamapot lang. Better ano eh, oh. Yan nata sa Montilla Boulevard. Pink ang color sa inyong school, Kale, na pink. Ano niyang school ni Kale? Pink. Pink day imong school. Sacred Heart School of Butuan. Asa? Dali na kay. Go there. Ano ka sa school? Ano ka diri ang entrance? Tay sa Kilby, magpakilid sa siguro ko. Uy. Yes. Go. Kaya mag... Wa pa mo? Go. Waiting time pa ka. Wait sa ha. Not yet pa, not yet. Come here. Nyag, yung saan mo to pag asa answer? Ha? Basig 0. Ha? Basig nag-wrong ka sa imong answer. Iya ka ba ng tuyo-tuyoon? Kay malipay siya o ka na magtanaw siya nga. Why? It's wrong. Oh, hi Mama Mary. Tuwa ka si Mama Mary. Say hi. Naghag dito ka Mama Mary. Dito ka Mama Mary. Dali na, let's go. Hala, naanay pulis. Dali na. Electricity. Yes. Okay. Magbayad mi og kuryente. Unya, magbayog. Ano siya ito ipa-buy?
Medicine?
No. Magbay ta og milk. Wala na kay milk. Pas mo imong bitok kay wala na kay milk. Okay. So we're done. Here, came out to sa Mercury Drug.
Another boy.
We're going to Mercury, magbay taog milk. Yes, we will buy. Okay, you have no milk anymore. No more. Anymore. Wait. Still. Pila-pila na ka magpakuan. Oy, magpaon sa car. Oy. Pila-pila giding bataa magid mo on sa sakyanan. You want to drive the car? Huh? You want? Yes? Oh, you don't know how to drive. You're still a baby. No. What is Mandiaika? Are you a baby or an adult? Huh?
Baby?
Ha, well, see? You're still a baby. Okay, going.